Nicole as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 11th. Hello. Today we're using these red, green, and white beads and the green pipe cleaners to make wreaths. I may have to pour some out here so I can take the beads up a little easier. The base of my wreath for the first one, I want to be green, and I want to add red accents to it. So I'm starting with 6 green beads. Five. Oops. 6. Oops. It's not that easy when I'm looking around the camera to try to do this. Actually, I think I want 2 more. 1, 2. Then I want red as an accent color. Beautiful. And then I'll take 8 more green ones. And then 2 more red ones. Here you see the pattern emerging. I'm not going to make the wreath very big. I'll probably want to have it about this size. So let's continue. I'll continue a little bit on this side too. For some reason I couldn't find that tiny hole over there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more reds. Alright, let's see what we got so far. Okay, I think 1 more section like that and we should be good. Actually, I do want, maybe I want to have a red in the middle. I think I want 5 reds, so it's an uneven number. So we need 8 green ones, 8 green ones, and then 2 more red ones. Oops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, of course, you can make the pattern whatever you want it to be. This is just what I want. Then I need 8 more on this side. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 red. The reason why I'm doing 1 red is because the other red is already on the other side, and this is going to be my middle. So, oops, we will tie this up so it gets nice and tight. There we go. And then, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then we can go ahead and twist it real quick. Go up and twist it. And we are done with this wreath. This is gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. I love the color. Now I want to make one with white and red, I think. But I do want to use a white stem for that. So the white doesn't show, the white stem doesn't show through those beads because they are kind of clear, as you can see here. So we're going to do it this way. And I do like the pattern, so I'm going to stick. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do something new. I'm going to go with 6 and 2. Not 8 and 2. 4. Oops. 5. 6. And then should I do red or green? Let's do red. On my third one I'll use a green combination. Maybe on my third one I'll do all 3 colors. We'll see, whatever tickles my fancy. Tickle, tickle. 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 reds again. Look how nice that looks already. Isn't that cute? I like the color combination. We're getting there. One, two, three, four, five, six, 6, 6. Would that look good? I think that would look good. I just want to have it in the middle so I might as well open this one. And we'll twist it up here. Okay, look at that. That's pretty. Now we have those 2 already. Now we'll make a combination of all 3. How about that? And I will use a red one. Okay, let's do this one. 4. I'm just making this up as I go. I think I'm gonna go with red, green, red, white. This will be predominantly red. We're getting there. Not sure if I still like it as much as I liked it before, but I'm liking it. It's fine. The good thing about crafts is, first of all, it is what you make it. And second of all, if you don't like it, just undo and redo. Alright, let's see what it looks like. I think we're good. I just didn't leave enough room on this side. Let's move it over some. There we go. And then make it closed. Tie it up. Finger in. Tie it up. And there you go. So now we have this red, white, and green combination. The white with the red and the green with the red. We could also do a green and white, or a red and green only, where red is the main color. Yeah, the combination is endless. I mean, it's beautiful. I love them a lot. I hope you got inspired, and I hope I see you for the next video.